Hey friends, welcome back to my channel! Today we're taking a look at the new Pat McGrath FetishEYES Mascara. This is a first impressions. Regardless, we'll get into product details, proceed with the demo, share my thoughts at the moment, and of course I will still keep using the mascara after this video if it ends up being something that I love, because I still need to test it out for longevity, how it wears throughout the day, if it crumbles or what have you. If it happens to be a favorite, then it will be in my February favorites video at the end of the month. I won't keep you waiting, friends. If you want to take a look at the newest addition to the Pat McGrath Labs family, FetishEYES Mascara, then please keep on watching. Hello my friends, my name is Alicia. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My platform is named Kinky Sweat as it refers to my kinky hair and sweat life. I am a fitness professional here at NYC as well as just a beauty lover. My next workshop is on Sunday, March 3rd, 4 p.m. If you are remotely interested, all details will be on the event page link that I will have down below, and all my daily musings as I like to bend my body backwards will be on my Instagram if you want to check that out. Let's get into this mascara, man. Hold on, I got the website up. I always get a kick of Mother Pat's descriptions, so without further ado, let's see what this mascara is designed to do. Prepare to lash out with FetishEYES Mascara. This instantly iconic formulation works overtime to impact fetish-worthy length, major lift, and maximum drama in one stroke. Bold, buildable, and intensely black. Each stroke wraps lashes from root to tip in saturated satin shine. Conditioning peptides, oh you got the peptides. Strengthen and defends lashes from free radical damage. You guys are gonna have a shield around you, and that's nice. While panthenol hydrates for lashes that stay luxuriously soft to the touch. Straight from the lab, this all-in-one mascara seamlessly builds from coquettishly feathered, whoa, to editorially inspired, thank you for giving us a spectrum, for a full-on lash fantasy that becomes more extreme with every swipe. Succumb to the power of a bold, brazen lash with this hardcore mascara that delivers lashes so luxe, they are positively lethal. How can you not want to try this mascara? Like, the adjectives in here are sky high insane. Coquettishly? Well, that's an adverb. Grammar, hello. Lethal and brazen. Gotta have that on my lashes, man. Product features. This ultra-rich formula sharply defines and fans each lash, adding noticeable length and fullness for a statement-making eyes. For statement-making eyes. There's no A in there, Alicia. Can you read? The firm, bristled brush effortlessly sweeps through the lash line, coating and combing lashes with perfect control and precision for perfect volume. The nylon bristles are perfectly placed, allowing them to grab close to the root while boosting length for maximum volume. I'm definitely more into volume than I am in length. That's why I rely on my New Lash serum. The New Lash is going to give me that length and a little bit of volume, or a lot of volume, I guess, because it helps your lashes grow. But when I go for mascara, I want it to be more volumizing over lengthening. This mascara retails for $28, so she ain't cheap. It comes in this blue holographic finish package. Pat's company is called Pat McGrath Labs. I feel like she makes it very much like a lab type of product in terms of the packaging, don't you think? On the back here, we do have a sticker label with all the product details, which are: this product is made in Italy and it has a 6-month encouraged expiration shelf life. Now, you know, the moment you crack into any new mascara, the clock starts and it's 3 months out. Especially if you use mascara every day like me, sometimes twice a day. I actually get rid of my mascara under 3 months because it just runs out and it dries out. I highly recommend, for your own eye safety, that the minute you, again, crack into a new mascara, put it on a post-it, put it on your phone, however you can remember. 3 months from that first opening, you should really get rid of it because you could get infections. A lot of bacteria is harbored very much so easily because you're dipping in and out from the eye, from the tube. And do not share mascara with your friends. If you love to share, always have disposable wands in your makeup bag, especially, of course, if you're a makeup artist. Don't give them the wand that you use, okay? Just don't do it. I had a friend that got pink eye from that. Just don't. And if you can't share, you can't share. Sorry, they're gonna have to find mascara somewhere else. Oh, you know what? I just realized that I need scissors to open this package. I was looking for a little indentation sometimes that they have. Oh, God. Let me see here. All right, here we go. Ooh. Very typical design for Pat McGrath Labs. Simple black tube with Pat McGrath's detailed lettering in gold metallic. Do you like my nails? Quickly, I am wearing Fun Lacquer Topper in Divine Fun Color Shifting on top of KL polishes. I know, no more KL polish. In Sagittarius, this duo, because this is a dark purple cream with this color shifting topper, it just brings out like that magenta shift really nicely, and I am digging it. Fun Lacquer as well as Live Love Polish is another favorite brand of mine because their toppers and their finishes are out of this world. I really love them. It really kicks it up if you're into that, but if you're not, they have cream colors as well. I'm sorry, I digress. Okay, back to the mascara. Let's open this up, man. Wow, look at the brush on that. It's round all the way. It's even cylinder shaped, unlike the Too Faced one, which I could quickly take out for you to see. It's more of an hourglass shape versus the Pat wand, which is, I feel, more even. So here are the two ones. Pat's on the bottom and Too Faced is on the top. I feel people were pleasantly surprised despite how big the wand is. They were able to control the application and to not get wild on the lashes. Let's get you in a little closer. I don't have any mascara. Obviously, hello. I don't have any shadow on. I just have my concealer, which I should actually set a little bit more. I forgot to. I don't want these creases to take away from our demo. I have the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 235, and right now I am lightly dusting with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Pressed Powder in number 2. Before anything, we gotta curl these lashes, and with that I am using my Shiseido Eyelash Curler. One of my very good friends, Dottie, who is a professional makeup artist, at the time I was using Shumera, which was hailed as like the best eyelash curler ever. She was explaining to me, depending on your eye shape will determine which eyelash curler is best for you, and she had said because of my almond shaped eyes that the Shiseido will actually be a lot better. I don't know what goes into deciding and how you can distinguish the different angles of the eyelash curlers and figure out which is best for you, which I feel separates me as an enthusiast than a professional because I don't know anything about that. But thank you, Dottie, for your input so that I just got the Shiseido and it works out beautifully. We're definitely gonna curl these lashes. Again, I've been using the New Lash serum and I feel it has done wonders for me. I mean, my mascara has been applying outrageously good and I don't know what I would do without it, for real. All right, lashes are curled. Let's get this mascara. I'm excited, man. Immediately I feel it goes on very thick. Like, maybe thick is that the right, well, yeah, maybe it is. Like, it gets on fast, man. Woo. Oh my God. Try not to get it on my lid, so I'm giving myself bedroom eyes. I'm keeping my lid partially closed so that I'm able to keep the mascara away from my skin. Oh wow, okay. Okay, I didn't dip back in. I'm just going straight to the other eye. You know what this feels like? It feels like a sticky mascara. You feel that the formula latches on right away. It doesn't waste any time in starting to coat. I do love the brush. I feel the bristles comb through the lashes quite well. All right, I'm going back in for coat number 2. I should let it dry a little bit. I also have a spoolie on standby because I find this is really crucial when layering mascara, that you take away the excess and when you go in with the next coat it won't turn out clumpy. Starting again right at the root and taking it from there. Oh wow, okay. Woo. Again, I got my spoolie on standby. I got these spoolies from Ricky's NYC. I like that they're slightly curved so I could brush them out without applying more product. You know what I mean? I have a Q-tip on standby just to kind of take away any mascara that ended up on my skin. I'm gonna try just putting a little bit more. I'm gonna brush out again. All right, okay. Now off to the lower lashes. Oh yeah, very thickening and super black, just as it said. Trying to be careful to not get it on my skin. Sometimes it's inevitable. That's why I like my smaller brush head from my MAC mascara, but I love the thickness and the blackness of this formula. Now, with all that heavy descriptive wording about the mascara, I don't think this is actually waterproof. I think they said, what, smudge proof or transfer proof? I'm going in with a third coat because, you know, that's how I roll, man. And it's good to wait for the mascara to dry a little bit just so that you could build up the volume better, but not all the way, because then I feel it will start to crumble when you apply. Whoa, those are some lashes, man. Just doing a final comb through, just making sure I take away any bits that kind of escaped. This is actually very nice. It looks super black, and sometimes I find it hard to apply mascara on a bare face because I feel it definitely overtakes the look, or my eyes just look too spidery, or my lashes I should say. I pulled you out just so you can get a wider shot of how this is looking, and here's an even wider shot. What do you think? I haven't decided yet because this is my first time using it, but a few observations that I made while applying. It feels very thickening upon the first application. The minute you get that wand on your lashes, you can feel the formula start to latch on and build right away. I would say if you don't like thickening mascaras, don't get this one. It builds very quickly, and I would highly recommend that you have a spoolie or something on hand to comb through between applications, because if you don't, it will get gunky for sure. I had a few like could be gunky moments during the applications because I love mascara and I like to apply a lot of it, and I make sure that I start at the root and never midway or at the tip, because it will gather at the tips and just look super thick. And I close my eyes and actually work against the wand. While the wand brushes up, I keep my lid down, and that opposition, if you will, kind of helps the mascara comb through the lashes a little more effectively. I'm not a fan of having lashes and nothing else on my eyes. This is just not how I roll. I will at least have to apply bronzer to my crease or something, and I guess it's just because I'm used to applying eyeshadow every day. A lot of people though, they just apply mascara and are done. I feel a little naked, but I think it looks good. This is pretty much what I would consider a no makeup look. I got Flesh Fantasy on the lip. I have some bronzer, Honey Thief for my blush. I actually used a highlighter from the Hourglass palette because I thought it wasn't too intense, but just glowy enough to add dimension to the look. I'm gonna tone you down with the exposure, and yeah, man, this is how we're looking. And here is a middle way closer look, if you will. I definitely will have to keep using this for the rest of the week because, again, this is a first impressions, and if you are waiting for my opinion on this, I'm sorry that I can't give you a substantial one at the moment. I will continue to use this mascara, and of course, if I do find it a can't live without must buy right away, then I will certainly include it in my favorites video. As of now though, I'm not mad at it. I like that it's super thick, and I think I just have to find that rhythm of application that I found with my Too Faced Better Than Sex, the mascara that I've been using for the last few years. I didn't bother buying anything else. I just felt that was the mascara, although it's actually, I'm like in the minority when it comes to that mascara. The fact that it's not waterproof, I think, is what kind of ticks people off. It's not completely waterproof. The one waterproof quality that it has, I appreciate, is the fact that it maintains my curl all day. I find that non-waterproof mascaras tend to make my lashes droop a little bit, and they don't maintain their structure. We'll see what this does, and they feel soft still. I feel they don't feel I find they don't feel brittle, they don't feel hard. I would recommend, if you're doing multiple coats, that you don't wait until the lashes completely dry, because you will get a little bit of fallout just from brushing against partially dried mascara formula. Not again when it's kind of still like a little wet, and then you go in with your second or third coat, but they're there, the lashes are there, man, for sure. I hope this demo gave you some insight, and the few observations that I've made in this first impressions kind of help you out in terms of deciding if it's something to try or not. Again, I love how my lashes look, for sure. I think they look curled, they look lush, they look super black. I still have to decide if I like this better than my Too Faced mascara because again, I've been using it for a long time. It's my ride or die, and it's something I have to decide by using this mascara for the few days after this video. So again, if this is something I would highly recommend, I will come back on here and update you. I could even update you on another 3-look video because we have several minis to go through, so we will have an opportunity to talk about it again. Until then, friends, let me know down below if you tried the Fetish Eyes mascara, what you think about it, and we'll take it from there. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video helped, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'll see you on here again with another chit chat, get ready with me, demo or review or first impression. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.